Tonight and earlier today led to crashes. This one at 494 and 94 in Woodbury. That's actually a snow plow that slipped into the ditch. Here in Monticello, a truck hauling wooden pallets scattered them all over 94, and we saw a lot of these semis that were jackknifed. This one is from Barnesville. The Minnesota State Patrol says it's already seen 130 crashes with damage, at least 147 vehicles off the road, 12 injury crashes, and 6 spinouts. Many roads may be getting more snow by morning, as Chris showed you. These are current conditions across the state. If you look in the blue, those are partially covered roads. But if you look and see more pink, that means those roads are completely covered. Across the state, plows are out in full force trying to get them ready for the morning commute. Conor Wight spent the evening with one of those teams in Anoka County. Hi, Conor.
Hi, Frank. Good evening. Happy to report that it seems like those kinds of crews have been doing their job. Going to show you a live look right now. This is 252 north heading away from Minneapolis, and these conditions are far better than what we saw earlier between 3 and 6 p.m. That's when we saw a few of those crashes that you mentioned, some folks in a ditch, and it was a little harder to navigate these roads. Up here in Anoka County, we know that county crews are looking at doing this on around 150 miles each tonight.
Once the trucks are loaded with salt, it's time to hit the road.
We've done this for a very long time, and we're very good at what we do.
Jim Plement is Senior Manager of Road Maintenance with the Anoka County Highway Department. He says they're already seeing more snow than this time last year, and his crews, working 12-hour shifts, are ready for it all.
It will be fun. It's a good test for our team.
So I was told a night like tonight is fun for you?
This is fun, yeah.
Chris Elliott has been driving plow trucks like this for decades. As experienced as Minnesota is with the winter, he says every season starts the same.
This time of the year is a lot different for drivers because they're learning how to drive in the snow again.
With the plows hitting the snow, salt is fired onto the roads to avoid anything freezing over. And while that strategy should work just fine this far north, it's a different ballgame south of I-94 Tuesday evening, with temperatures high enough that it could rain.
Obviously, when it's raining and stuff, we're not going to be putting salt on or anything like that, but you're going to have to monitor the roads very careful for when that flash freeze comes. You have to be prepared.
A live look again at 252 north, and with those temperatures, the tarmac, really you can trust that it's just about that at the moment. But again, that concern south of I-94, Frank, is that this could freeze over the next few days as things warm up a little bit tonight and then really plunge over the next few days. But mercifully, smooth sailing up here heading north out of Minneapolis, Frank.
Good. Let's hope it stays that way, Conor. Thank you.